Sarap. Sugat at chocolate.
Happy New Year!
Okay, hello po sa lahat. Ngayon, gagawa po tayo ng protein cookies. Ayan. Sa protein ingredients natin, meron tayong choices. Ayan. Whey gold protein or combat protein. Para sa protein cookies natin, after ng video, popost ko po ang ingredients paano gumawa ng protein cookies. Pero look at the table, meron tayong of course salt, pampalasa, 2 eggs, dalawang itlog. Sa amount ng ingredients today, makakagawa po tayo ng around a dozen of cookies, mga 12 pieces. Para sa flavoring, yan, vanilla extract. And anong flour po ang gagamitin for protein cookies? I think the best is almond flour. And sa totoong cookie, butter ang gagamitin. Pero I chose na olive oil. And meron tayong peanut butter. And nilagay ko na sa isang cup ang oatmeal, dry and uncooked, weighed as 1 cup. Okay? Of course, para sa pagsusukat, meron tayong spoon, tablespoon. This is like 15 ml. So, hindi ako chef, pero papakita natin paano gumawa ng protein cookies. Alright, let's start. 1 cup na oatmeal. Next, 1 cup ng almond flour. 1 cup ng almond flour. So today, let's try to use ito, gold standard whey protein. Ayan, 1 cup. 1 teaspoon of salt. Ihalo na po natin ang itlog, egg. One, 2. So, pag hindi na nagagamit ang cup, pwede natin maging waste receptacle. 1/2 cup ng peanut butter. Tanong, paano kung hindi natin ma-measure sa cup? Ilang spoon po ba? So, let's try 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's like around 1/2 cup of peanut butter. 1. So, kung matatanong nyo anong klaseng peanut butter, pinili ko po yung mayroong crunchy peanut butter. 2, 3, and 4. Ayan, meron tayong 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So, it's better to be generous when it comes to vanilla kasi ito yung magdadagdag ng flavor pagdating sa cookies. Mas masarap kung medyo maraming vanilla. So, ayan. Nagka-ready na. So, ready na tong ihalo. Kung napapansin natin medyo malapot, so pwede natin lagyan ng olive oil. 1 scoop ng olive oil. So, for flavoring sa cookies, meron tayong chocolate. Ang pinili ko is blueberry chocolates. ating protein cookies. So, if tatanungin nyo, wala itong asukal. Yes. Zero sugar, but meron siyang chocolate. So, kung may matitikman tayong matamis dito, yan ay chocolate. So, let's try. Sarap. Sugat ang chocolate.
Happy New Year!
If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and please like the video. Thank you for watching.